guys, I'm Nikki with Z5. So we got 21 trucks left. Retires number 18. So I'm voice correct. So we got 21 trucks left. So some of these trucks are not taken. So they are Nigel Hornet, Inferno, Monster Innovation, Shock Therapy, Spider-Man, Retro Excalibur, Silver Digger, Monster Marauder, Gunslinger, Batman, Iron Man, Crustacean, Flower, Virginia Giant, Raiden Steel, Maxi Glow, Crazy Train, Raisin King, Nor Nightmare, Greater the Legend, and Megamite. So we got 21 trucks left. So make sure, I want you guys to make sure, I want all you guys to make sure to sign up. So Awesome Mixer Ron made a Q&A video today, so you can subscribe me so I can join my song stream. So see you guys later. Stay tuned. So sign up.